In an individualistic culture, the narcissist is God's gift to the world. In a collectivist society, the narcissist is God's gift to the collective.
Walk the path of the middle. The true sage walks the straight and narrow. He doesn't take any path. He participates sometimes by going one way or the other. You see, and he can dive into the collective, and live under like a Chinese, Japanese kind of energy, or he can live into the white man or jump into the white man's energy, live as the individual, hoping to find a collective. And remember, each principle, the collective versus the individual, every time you find yourself focused into one, you yearn for the other.
The whole system makes me feel insignificant.
Excellent. You've made a real breakthrough.
I have?
Yes, Z. You are insignificant.
I am?
Let me say that again. The Eastern philosophies dealt with the collective. The Western dealt with the individual. As the Eastern philosophy began to grow to its pinnacle of expression, it yearned for its individual understanding. The same thing is happening here in the West. This preponderance of energies focusing towards the individual has us screaming for some form of collective energies to bring us all together inside of this madness. So the trick is to walk the line between the two. And as the individual experience what it's like to be in the collective, and while in the collective, allow the individual to process the experience. You see, and then you would be in the scales of Ma'at. You would be dealing with the scales of Ma'at, and you wouldn't be judging either one, and therefore you would have no animosity or no fear of either one, and thus no resistance.
What's possible for the individual man is impossible for the masses.